Edit or add a default account posting. In MaxxTraxx, the default account postings are what allow MaxxTraxx to post your normal shop workflow activities into the integrated accounting automatically in the background, eliminating the need for double entry into another accounting program. The vast majority of the default settings are left where they are, but occasionally a setting needs to be added or edited. Let's take a look. From the menu bar, click Setups, select Accounting and Payroll from the drop list, and select Default Account Posting. This is where the magic of the integrated accounting is set up. The automated postings for AR charges, finance charges, return checks, etc. And there are settings in each one of these categories for the cash accounts, the ROs, like where the discounts are posted, cash payouts, and miscellaneous cash income disbursements that are entered through the money bag, the cash drawer, accounts payable, like when we post a restock parts ticket from our vendors, we can have freight charges, handling charges, miscellaneous supplies, and the payroll settings. As I mentioned, most of these stay on the defaults, but if you're using payroll in MaxxTraxx, you might want to set up default postings for health insurance deductions from your employees' paychecks or a garnishment. The other really common addition to these default account postings is to the cash drawer sections, the cash payout disbursements, and the occasional miscellaneous cash income we may receive. So under cash payout disbursements, you can see here I've entered a few common things that we pay cash for out of the till. Car washes, fuel for customer vehicles when they drop off their car for a test drive on empty, and occasionally we have to post an entry if we're over or short in our cash drawer when we do our end-of-day cash drawer reconciliation. So let's add a transaction type to this list by clicking this button down here. Enter the transaction description. Let's enter over short. And here we click Select to assign the general ledger account we're going to disperse this payout to, an expense account. Remember, expense accounts start with the number 6, so I will just type 6 to get down to that part of the general ledger, and then I can peruse these account names until I find what I need. And here is financial over short. So I'll just double click or highlight and click the select button down here and then click OK. Now this is an option for me to select when I'm entering a cash payout through the money bag, the cash drawer. I would do the same when I'm over in my cash drawer. Click miscellaneous cash income disbursements, click the add transaction type button below, enter over short for my transaction description, click select, type number 6, and if I'm over in my drawer for the day, it will credit or lower my financial over short expense. Other types of miscellaneous income might be rebates for parts or waste oil sales. And notice these types of income are posting to income accounts that start with the number 4, an income type account. If you're not sure what general ledger to disperse any of these default account posting transactions to, please consult your accountant for more information. And this concludes the lesson on edit or add a default account posting.